Yeah, friends, I want to begin this session with a question to you. Have you ever thought that how are we able to interact with this search engine? How are we able to touch this discover and whatever web page is it? How are we able to touch this button? This is all because of GUI. Its full form is graphic user interface. You can see here graphic user interface. It's an interface through which you can interact in with the electronic device, app, or any website. For example, I have a website in my head. Its name is lazyteens.com. Okay, lazy teens. I go on lazy teens and I open this menu bar. Here I have this menu bar. So all these are buttons that are somewhat linked to any other page, any other web page. For example, I go to about. This button is linked to that web page inside that application, so hence this is an GUI example of GUI. Every application, even if you take example of what we say PyCharm is an example of course GUI, because at that there is an text box, is a place where you can write your code, so you are interacting with computer. But actually that's not GUI. We are able to make a file, and we are able to touch that, so that's in GUI. We are able to interact whenever there is an interaction with electronic device. We say it as user interface. But when we use graphics as well, graphics, what do we mean by graphics? It's easy. Graphic means anything like elements, labels, and text box, all that. Then we come to like graphic user interface. So I hope you understood graphic user interface. Its short form is GUI. But how do we make this GUI inside Python? How do we write? uh, First of all, we have a question in our hand that you might be thinking that now we are going to begin with block coding. No, we are not going to start with block coding, because we are just going to put stress on text coding only. Okay, that is through PyCharm or Repellent. You can as well use it, but I will not suggest Repellent because it's an online application and online website. So at online you cannot make much more good things. You can make a simple if and else statement, functions, anything, but making an app on online application may be difficult and you may face some problems doing this. So what we are going to do is we are going to see that which all things can be used, so that we can just make this GUI in Python through text coding. First is Kiwi. Kiwi is and these all are modules through which you can make GUI. First is Kiwi, second is Libag, third is PQT, PySimple GUI, PyForms, Tkinter, Wax, and VX Python. And from all these, Tkinter is what we are going to start with. Okay, this is what we are going to start with in coming videos, that is Tkinter. So what is Tkinter? It's a module through which you can make some GUI programs. So at last I would like to say that GUI is anything that you can interact with your electronic device. Just name an app and or website, the GUI is working behind that. That's why. For example, you have written an calculator. How can we make this calculator? How can we just make this all these calculators? How can we make this buttons, 1 2 and all that? Okay, how can we design this? So GUI is working behind this. Every simple application to very complex application, you have GUI working with it. we can go on Canva that we use for our thumbnails, etc. We told you on this platform we are not doing any promotions. This is just for an information that we use this for making thumbnails. It's a good app. So what are we doing is we are interacting with an app. Okay, we are touching on this, we are interacting, we are touching on this template, we are interacting with this Canva, and that's what GUI is, to interact. Okay, now what are we going to make in this course is we are going to make a calculator first of all, and second maybe a notepad. Okay, then we are going to start with many apps. We are going to take this course very big, and we are going to put a playlist as well, so you can access through this course, and this is all free, which would be uploaded on YouTube, of course, where you are seeing. So I want you all to comment down your names, so that we can take your names as variable whenever we make tkinter, whenever we make GUI in Python. So that's it for today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as well as comment your name, so that we can use your name as variables. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.